Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on a special birthday stay at Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. We booked this amazing room for 958 Singaporean dollars, and yes, it's expensive, but it's my birthday. I can't wait to show you inside. This is once in a lifetime, so bahala na. Wow, look at this. The view is incredible. Since it's my birthday, they actually gave me this amazing spot overlooking the city. Grabe kanindot bay. Nami-nami gidiya. Hindi maantoy. Look at our kid enjoying the bed while this is the background. Amazing kayo, super duper amazing. You guys should book this once in a lifetime experience in Singapore. Wherever we go, sunset is our favorite. We spent a lot of time just sitting here and soaking it all in. There's something magical about stepping outside of your house, being together, and enjoying moments like this with your family. This day isn't just about the view or the luxury. It's about being together as a family. Sharing little moments like these away from home is what makes memories so special. Actually, wala ra gyud mi ganap ani nga time. Ganahan lami mo tan-aw sa city view. Kanang enjoying the day nga kanang slow bitaw. Not in a hurry. No obligations, no jobs, no report. Wala lang. We talk a lot of things about life, about what we will do tomorrow, where are we going to go to dinner, and everything. So kana, maka-in-love jud kaayo ang sunset. Dili jud siya kabayran actually. I wish na si Bibam ani nga time para ma-enjoy sad niya ang mga views. Whenever I'm traveling, I have this kind of thinking nga kana bitang I wish I can share the view, or I can bring my family sa travel, my mom, my siblings, mga nephews and nieces. That's one of the dreams that I want to fulfill in the future pag dato na jugay ko sa tibok kalibutan. My husband told me na he has magic, and then we discovered that the curtain is controlled by your remote. So it's so fun to play with. Makes me feel like a child again. It's my first time to experience this. Mura jug bata oy, lukso-lukso. Lingaw kayo. Grabe, I really can't move on. Super nindot jug kayo siya. If you'll ask me, should I go back there? Yes, of course, I will.